Hello friends, in this video we will see how to get job in TCS, and this video is for freshers. Here I tried comparing three major recruitment patterns followed by TCS, that is TCS Ninja, Digital and Codevita. For these three tests I tried comparing them on selection procedure, test pattern, salary structure, eligibility and bond. So here we go. First of all, TCS Ninja selection procedure. TCS Ninja first round of online test is called as NQT, National Qualifier Test. On successfully clearing this National Qualifier Test, students will be called for technical and HR interview. Sometimes after technical interview there will be management round. So there may be possibly 3 rounds of interview. On successfully selecting in this interview, students will be given an offer. Second is TCS Digital, and students who top in NQT online test, TCS Ninja's National Qualified online test, they are only eligible to write online test of TCS Digital, which means this TCS Digital online test will be between TCS Ninja online test, which is NQT, and TCS Ninja interviews. So students who clear this online test conducted by TCS Digital, that will be followed by interviews and HR interview. Then TCS Codevita. Codevita is actually a 3-level coding contest, but students who clear round 1 will be given an opportunity to attend interviews and followed by a job. Then test type. Ninja is a national qualifier test, as well as good as TCS Digital also, and TCS Codevita is a global coding contest. Then test pattern of TCS Ninja and Digital are more or less the same. We have English, quantitative aptitude, technical MCQs and coding. Round 1 of TCS Codevita is which is called as pre-qualifier round. It is blend of technical questions and coding questions. Salary structure of TCS Ninja is 3.36 to 3.6 lakhs per annum. TCS Digital salary is 7 lakhs per annum, but this is average, which is variable. It may go up to 10 lakhs, around 10 lakhs. So average salary of TCS Digital is around 7 lakhs per annum. TCS Codevita also is 3.36 to 3.6 lakhs per annum. Eligibility for almost all three, eligibility is the same. Any stream of engineering are eligible along with MSc, MCA, and 1 active backlog is allowed, and education gap should be less than 2 years, but this gap is not applicable to TCS Codevita. Students of any percentage, any number of backlogs are eligible to attend TCS Codevita, because primarily TCS Codevita is a coding contest, but TCS is preferring this coding contest as a selection pattern. Then there is no bond for any of these tests. Okay, so here how is the test goes. If student qualifies in TCS Ninja and stands in 3000, top 3000, then they will be eligible to attend TCS Digital online test, and students who attend TCS Digital online test, they, on successfully finishing TCS Digital online test, they will have interviews, and on successfully cracking the interviews, students will get an offer with a package of 7 lakhs per annum. But students who fail in these interviews after TCS Digital test, even they get a package of 3.6 lakhs per annum. So on successfully clearing TCS Digital online test, students need not worry about job. So once you clear TCS Digital online test, so you have a job in hand, but this 7 lakhs per annum package is what in addition you get to a regular package, where a regular package is 3.6 lakhs per annum. Then if you fail in TCS Digital online test, even then you will be called for interviews, but for a package of 3.6 lakhs per annum. If you clear these interviews, then your package will be 3.6 lakhs per annum. But if you fail in these interviews, there is no job. So this is what students should be careful here if they do not clear TCS digital test. And then in TCS Ninja test, students who could not be in the top 3000. Friends, this 3000 is a random number. This is just an assumption based on the number of students shortlisted in the year 2019. So it will be around 3000, but it may vary based on requirement of TCS. But in TCS Ninja NQT test, if you are not in top 3000, even then you have fair chances of getting a job, wherein if you are here, even then interviews will be conducted to you and you will get an offer of 3.6 lakhs per annum on successfully getting selected, cracking those interviews. If you fail, then again there is no job for you here. Then the other way, let's say if you could not qualify TCS NQT, that is the end of the process. So try to understand there are three different patterns. One here is TCS clearing TCS Ninja, qualifying TCS Ninja, but qualifying in top 3000 will give you eligibility to attend TCS digital online test. If you clear the interviews after TCS, after successfully clearing TCS digital online test, then you can attend interview to crack 7 lakhs, around 7 lakhs package. If you fail in this interview after TCS digital online test, even then there is a fair chance that you will get an offer with 3.6 lakhs per annum. Second possibility, if you fail in TCS digital online test, there is no danger. Even then you can attend interviews and even then you have a fair chance of getting 3.6 lakhs per annum offer. But if you fail in those interviews, again you don't have any job. Here again, if you don't stand in the top 3000 across the country, even then you are eligible to attend interviews, and on successfully getting selected here, you will have 3.6 lakhs per annum offer. But if you fail, you don't have an offer. And if you don't clear the TCS online test in the first attempt, then that is the end of your trials. And here, let us see what happens in TCS Codevita. In TCS Codevita, after successfully clearing round 1, this is round 1, on successfully clearing round 1, you will have an interview. And this interview is for 3.6 lakhs per annum offer only. If you fail in this interview, there is no job, and if you don't clear round 1 also, you don't have job. So hope this information is clear, and thank you for watching this video. Hope you understood all these terms related to TCS selection procedures. If you have any doubts regarding the same, you can just leave a comment. I will try to answer your questions. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.